Okay, today is Wednesday, March the 10th, 2010, and it is approximately 12:20 p.m. Eastern Time. We've just been filled on a short trade. We've entered at 11:42.50, and you can see that the on the Ninja platform here that we are looking at, you can see that the orders to exit have already been placed for us using their automated trade management tool. So you can see here that we're short 42.50. We have an order to buy half of our position back, or two contracts, at 1141.75. An order to buy one contract, or 1/4 of our position, at 1141. And the final order is down here to buy one contract, or 1/4 of the position, at 1138.50. The final exit on the position for the 1/4 of the position size, that will there has to be a price put in. So we go ahead and do that, knowing that we're probably going to cancel that and just monitor our software to see that we do actually get the maximum gain out of that by using our software. So we will just go ahead and put that in, and then in most cases cancel it. It is a 4-point move. If it happens quickly, fine. Otherwise, we usually just monitor the chart and exit accordingly. So you can see we also have our stop placed here at 1144 even, which is a 1.5 away from our entry price, so a maximum risk of 1.5. So you can see that the market has entered us at 42.50. It has bounced to 43.50. And we would expect a natural barrier to be the top of this magenta bar right here, which is at 44.50. So structurally speaking, our stop should really be at 44.75. Although I think for right now we'll just leave it right here at 44, which is the 1.5-point risk, which is what we don't like to take really much more of that risk unless the market has really gotten quite volatile, and we will trade smaller position sizes and put in a larger risk. But we're not under those circumstances or those conditions right now, so I think we'll just leave our stop right where it is at 44, and with the first exit still at 41.75. Now, by the way, this dotted line down below is the low that has been formed today, and I'm referring to just the regular trading hours. The dotted line up at the top here is not the high of the day. The high of the day has actually been up at 48. So the kind of structure that we're dealing with right here could lead us to believe that the market could very easily make new lows for the day. So we'll just have to give it a little bit of time. Just so this video doesn't get too terribly long, I'll put it on pause here for a moment. Okay, you can see that the market has hit our first objective and our stop has been adjusted. So now our maximum risk is just 3 ticks on this trade, and if the market can dip another tick here down to 41, then our stop will be adjusted. Okay, the market has just dropped down to reach our second objective, and we've been filled on that, and so now you can see our stop has been adjusted to break even. So for the final one contract that we have left here, we have no worse than a break-even situation on that trade. So we are anticipating this market to hopefully come down and make new lows for the day. That's what this trade is really looking for. Whether or not, of course, we get it will remains to be seen. But that's our intention on this trade, or what we think the intention of the market is. Maybe put it a little bit better terms. So what I've done on this ATM, you can see every time the market moves an additional 3 ticks in our favor, I have this particular ATM set up such that the market will go ahead and move the stop down another 3 ticks. So we've just made our new low for the day, and you can see we have another magenta bar forming here. So what we will do is I'm going to cancel that right there, and seeing as we do have just one contract left, what I will now do is I'll just manage this trade manually. And so with this magenta selling bar right here, what I will now do is I'll manually, now that I've canceled the automatic trade management, I will manually put a stop 2 ticks above the high of this selling magenta bar. So you can see that that's at 1141. So I'll go ahead and put a buy stop in here at 1141.50. So buy stop 11.4, missing stop loss value. None. Okay, so you can see it just hit 1141.50, and I will just go ahead and close that position out. So just had I guess my ATM, I just had to make an adjustment on that, but we would have been stopped out at 1141.50. Certainly the market may continue to go down lower, but at any rate we are out of the position there. And as you can see, we were filled, hitting our first 2 objectives within the 10-minute time frame, and exited the final partial for a 1-point gain. So had a nice trade there. So the first the 4 contracts, we were able to reach our first 2 objectives of just 3 ticks each, so that's a total of 6 ticks. 6-tick objective on the second one, so that's a total of 12, and then on the final contract another 4 ticks, so a total of 16 ticks or 4 points on that trade. So that's just a quick video of a real-time trade here in the E-mini S&P. So and how we use the Ninja platform with the automated trade management, and just one of our live trades here on Wednesday, March the 10th. So in and out of that trade in about 10 minutes time or so. So thanks for taking the time to view the video, and we'll see you again next time.